So I'm going to continue to go over some of the questions that people have asked me about as part of your review. And the first one that I'm going to look at is a chromosomal analysis is obtained on a young woman with mild signs of Turner syndrome and reveals a 46XX45X karyotype. Non-disjunction is most likely to have occurred in. Well, the first thing we do is we look and see that if a person is 46XX45X, that is a mosaic. So let's go down to E, and E, the answer is mitosis after fertilization. Let's look at this question. In X chromosome inactivation, all of the X chromosome genes are inactivated. This is a true or false question. This is false. Remember, females have 2 X chromosomes while males have 1 X and 1 Y. And also remember that early in embryonic development in females, one of the 2 X chromosomes is randomly and permanently inactivated in cells other than egg cells. This is called X inactivation or lionization. The condition known as Crete-Shah syndrome in humans has a genetic constitution designated as number D, 46, 5p minus. Remember, this is a deletion in chromosome number 5 in the P arm, the short arm. In this next question, in a healthy male, how many sperm cells would be expected to form from 400 primary spermatocytes and 400 secondary spermatocytes? The answer is 1,600 for the first part and 800 for the second. If you go back and you look at meiosis and you look at meiotic division number 1 and number 2, you can see these answers. In looking at this question, 15% of the nitrogenous bases in a sample of DNA from a particular organism is thymine. What percentage should be cytosine? Let's remember the base pair, A to T and G to C. So that if we know that the thymine is 15%, then the adenine has to be 15%. So the 15 and the 15 is equal to 30. That leaves us with 70. If we divide that by 2, because we know that the cytosine and the guanine have to be equal, then that will be equal to 35%. What is the outcome of synapsis? A significant event in meiosis. It's the side-by-side alignment of homologous chromosomes. In a healthy female, how many secondary oocytes would be expected to form from 100 primary oocytes? How many first polar bodies would be expected from 100 primary oocytes? Again, you would go back to meiosis, and the answer to this question is E, 100 and 100. So although the most frequent forms of Down syndrome are caused by a random error, non-disjunction of chromosome 21, Down syndrome occasionally runs in families. This cause of this form of familial Down syndrome is C, a translocation between chromosome 21 and a member of the chromosome group D. What is uniparental disomy? It's inheriting 2 chromosomes or chromosome segments from one parent. Can also arise from a trisomic embryo in which some cells lose the extra chromosome, leaving 2 homologs from one parent. If there are any other questions that you would like to ask me, please get back to me before you take your exam, and I will be glad to go through the different concepts with you or any content that you have any questions on. Okay, so have a good day.